Welcome to biology classes. Now we can discuss about types of muscles. As per our syllabus, what they have described, we have total 3 types of muscles are present in our body. Those are skeletal muscles, visceral muscles, and cardiac muscles. The question is, on which basis they have done these 3 kind of classification. They have done this classification based on location of the muscles. How? For example, if any muscles which are attached to the skeletal system, those are known as skeletal muscles. Some of the muscles are present in internal organs, those are known as visceral organs, those are known as visceral muscles, are also known as smooth muscles. You have seen here. Next, some of muscles which are present at the heart, that's why those are cardiac muscles. So that based on the location, they have done skeletal, visceral and cardiac muscles. Now we can discuss one by one individual structures. First one, skeletal muscles. These are attached to the skeletal system, and these muscles they having alternative bands, dark, light, dark, light. Along with the length of these muscles, there is appearance of bands. That's why these are known as striated muscles. That's why they are telling that striation is present. And these skeletal muscles are under the control of willpower. That's why these are voluntary muscles. And these muscles demands more blood supply because for muscular contraction it needs calcium and different kind of nutrients as well as the elements or ions. These are supplied by the blood. And another thing is these muscles undergo rapid contractions while the individuals are performing different kind of activities. That's why they demands more blood supply. And these skeletal muscles they can respire through anaerobic respiration. That time it can produces lactic acid. Because of this lactic acid, these muscles undergo fatigue. They feel tired because of the releasing of lactic acid via anaerobic respirations. And these are multinucleated. Actually, these cells are very thread-like structure, and this group of muscle fibers they can compactly arrange. It looks like a multinucleated cells. Next one is these muscles made up of more mitochondria for energy purpose, and this is about skeletal muscles. Next one is visceral muscles. The word itself indicates visceral means internal organs. The muscles which are located in internal organs, those are known as visceral muscles, are also known as smooth muscles. They are given alimentary canal. In that there is a presence of what? Like this smooth muscles. And these muscles does not having any kind of bands. That's why there is no striations. That's why these are non-striated muscles. And these muscles are not under the control of willpower. That's why these are involuntary. And these muscles does not undergo any vigorous contractions. It won't require much blood supply. That's why they have mentioned poor blood supply. And these muscles they can respire through oxygen, that is aerobic respiration. That's why they cannot produce any kind of lactic acid. They does not undergo any kind of fatigue. And these are uninucleated because there is a presence of one nucleus in a single cell. They are having less mitochondria because it won't needs much energy. And third type of classification, cardiac muscles. And these muscles mainly found in heart. That's why it is cardiac muscle, the muscles which are located in heart. These muscles also having bands That's why these are striated muscles. Striation is present. These are also not under the control of willpower. That's why these are involuntary. They also receives more blood for the vigorous contractions of the heart for every minute. That's why they having or they demand more blood supply, and they cannot produce any kind of lactic acid. They does not undergo any fatigue because they having more mitochondria. Because of more mitochondria, it will give energy, and these heart cells cannot undergo any kind of fatigue. Generally, these muscles are uninucleated, and this is some differentiation between skeletal, visceral, and cardiac muscles. Now, we can go through another differentiation, that is, and skeletal muscles are parallelly arranged and cardiac muscles are branched and smooth muscles are tapering. Tapering means both ends are pointed. You notice here, this end is also pointed, this end is also pointed, and this is another difference between these three types of muscles.